At SNC-Lavalin, we continuously support our clients for design and plant operation. This thought was at the forefront when we constructed this control center mock-up facility integrated with a high-fidelity plant simulator. The facility includes 19 stand-to-operate panel bays consisting of 4 large touch-enabled display units, 200-inch and 242-inch video display units, 4 operator consoles, and more than 10 24-inch touchscreen-enabled PC-based workstations. It has a configurable layout which includes the operator consoles, operator workstations, shift interrogation desks, shift supervisor desk, and fuel handling station. When building this facility, we wanted to ensure we provided our clients with a tool to test design changes, develop training scenarios, and create the right environment for human factors evaluation. The high-fidelity mock-up and simulator allows for testing of ideas without risk of real-life application, as well as an opportunity to learn from simulated malfunctions that would be rare in operational control rooms. The full-scale functional mock-up features dynamic displays, controls, and alarms. The system responds to supervisory control actions and enunciations for simulated plant conditions. The touchscreen visual display allows operators to interact with the rendered controls that are displayed. This is beneficial as it allows to test design changes both for functional correctness and for human factors engineering at an early stage, and thus de-risk the real-life implementations, potentially resulting in cost and schedule savings. This facility is easily configurable and flexible. The hardwired controls and displays can be replicated in touchscreen panels for easy prototyping. The displays can be configured to represent smaller control panel applications or even small modular reactors. The simulator has been used with clients to conduct usability testing during the early stages of the design process to gain insight for the human-system interface and to ensure the design enables plant employees to successfully perform their tasks. 3 key benefits associated with conducting usability testing are promotion of team collaboration and early design guidance, rapid prototyping for early feedback from operators and maintenance experts, confirmation of usability regarding human systems interface. We have also developed group dynamic learning activities focused on human behaviors. An operator can load and store simulation states and can pause, rewind, resume, speed up, and slow down the simulation. Additionally, the operator can inject set points or equipment state changes as well as malfunctions either automatically through execution of predefined lesson plans or manually through the appropriate user interface. As many plants are undergoing I&C modernization, either to overcome obsolescence or to leverage the benefits that operational data in digital form brings for improved plant safety and plant performance, we know that this facility, combined with the expertise that we possess in digital I&C and human factors engineering, brings unparalleled value to the clients. We have exceptional people, we have relentless drive, we deliver proven results.